Well, well, well. Look who got stuck. Brought a new hay bale out here where we're looking for Penny, and here she is. Is that yummy? You should get first dibs. You have 4 babies in you. That was smart, so then she doesn't come over this way. She wants to lift her foot up.
She's gonna kick.
Which is weird because she has lots of treats and stuff. Come on, Doris.
Yes? What the heck? Jeez Louise, I don't know what we're gonna do with her. She just loves to stand in the feeder. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at that guilty face. She's just like, Alright, here we go.
Uh-oh. Oh, Willow. Oh, God. That's okay, I'll get her. Go on, keep going. Go follow the hay.
Good doggy. Minnie the dog, Dora the dog. Goats are like, get out of there, dogs. We want to be scratched. We want to be scratched. Look, they always raise the hair on their back when there's a dog close. They think it's a wolf. Hey, Emu, you're looking puffy today. Look at that. Still sounding weird with your little squeak, though.
Guys, settle down.
Okay.
Oh,
How does that work?
it's nice. We don't have to actually get in there.
That work or what?
Nice. Come out now. I don't know if they want to come out.
Pig, 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 pig.
Hey, man.
Because everything gets too loud.
All right.
All right.
Welcome to this episode.
Okay.
The corner. So today we have to solve the problem of the goats getting in there.
Yeah,
and
bad
pooping
goats.
and peeing and
Mostly Willow, that's it. Doris sometimes.
On this end, I turned it around to put my old piece of fencing, wired it on there. So far it's working. But right here, they like to climb in there and then just
And not them, Willow. Willow. Only Willow.
and Mabel and Doris. They'll just go in there, take a nap.
Yeah, we'll come out here and they'll be sleeping.
So, old air conditioning grate. Got it. See that right there? That's just the start of it. Then she'll keep crawling in there. Go
No,
in
she
there,
won't.
Take a nap, poop and pee. Okay, so
She can't eat there anymore. She's sad.
They say to the secret of fixing anything is duct tape and baling wire. Baling wire to the rescue.
All right. Good job. It looks good.
No goats pooping and peeing.
Willow's gonna find a way to get in there, though.
Let's see.
Okay, hold on one second. I want to get it over here. Will they come forward even with you standing right there?
Probably.
Oh, here they all come.
They're like the ring of food.
That's funny. The first few times I did it, they didn't come this fast.
Now they know the ring.
Yep. Where are all the rest of the tilapia? I only see like 6 of them.
How many tilapia should we have?
We should have like 18 or so. There's a few of them, I see them. They're just a dark gray. All right, it's that time again.
Hey!
Even though we've had all this rain, it's still the last day of the year to get irrigation. So we're gonna get it and flood our whole yard today. Here it comes. Oh, go shut Charlie's gate. Run! Run, hurry! Great. She left the gate open and now all the goats are following her. No! It's okay, it's okay. We'll get him. Here, give me her. You get the other one. They'll probably follow us because they're kind of scared. Okay, come on. Come on. Nope. Can't go in the neighbor's yard. Come on. Okay, one more. You got just have Willow. I'll watch the gate.
Okay, open it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Okay, that was fun. Okay, watch out. I gotta go. Don't trip, don't trip, don't trip. Oh, that was a big leap, Tilly. Tilly's leg is totally healed. Did you see that? She jumped over that. Doris, what are you gonna do? You gotta go back over the bridge. I'm gonna go over the bridge, you're gonna jump. She's gonna go back to the bridge. Smart little girl. There you go. There you go. You figured it out. The first port right here goes to our front yard. And then the second one comes out to the backyard. You guys better get on safe ground. You got about an hour until it's all filled up. Well, well, well. Look who got stuck. Willow.
I'm just gonna put her in the water, okay?
We told
okay?
you to not go over where the water was. You have to
so
jump
grateful.
now.
Come on.
You have to jump. You have to get wet.
You know what? I'm just gonna put her in the water because once she's
Yeah,
in the
just
water,
put her down and she'll run. Run! Run! Oh, don't go back that way.
Oh my goodness!
Yo, you should have carried. Oh no. Okay, keep walking. Keep walking.
Oh, my shoes are stuck.
Oh my gosh. Look, she's trying to eat leaves as you go.
Okay.
Just gonna have to run now. Don't go back that way.
Go back that way.
Come on. You have to walk in just a little bit of water. Come on.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Kevin, do you know what I did wrong with the corn?
Planted it.
No, the reason I failed is because I didn't really get them to grow big fast. so they produced their ears while they were really small, and I think that that was the problem. So they didn't really mature, and then they died early. Growing organic corn is hard. It's especially hard to do in the desert. But as discouraged as I am about the lack of corn, I am excited because I've got a lot of other good stuff going on in the garden. The carrots are doing really well. The tomatoes are climbing up their poles just like I said they would. And our potatoes have all popped up along this row. So not too shabby. We've also got a bunch of sweet potatoes that we're gonna harvest here in a couple weeks.
All right, some of these ears that the bugs got to, the pigs love them. Pig, 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 pig. Go get a pig.
Well guys, the corn failed, but my roselles are doing awesome. So I'm going to harvest them today, and then we can finally make hibiscus tea tonight with dinner. I found one last melon for the year, so I think this will signify the end of summer and the start of fall here. Alright guys, at least we had one good success today. We made our own hibiscus tea. So we're just gonna have leftovers for tonight, so no big cooking segment, but we will see you in a few days. Alright, bye!